What up, YouTube? This is your boy Wumpak. You know, it's been a while and stuff like that, but I'm trying to be more consistent. So the video for y'all, it's gonna be an open box video. I'm gonna do it, and we're gonna have some fun. Don't forget to share with other like-minded people. And if you like videos like this, maybe we'll do more. Send me stuff to open. But we'll do my first one here, the lighter box. I'm just gonna go ahead and show the thing is quite large, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, if you're wondering what I've been up to, just a lot of chilling at the airport, working there. I'm using a knife because I'm a bastard. So maybe we'll back her a little bit more just so we get some justice here. Oops. Fail. Apparently, it is a replica sword. I think it's tied up currently from the looks, which I know nothing about, but it's tied up. There we go. Quick, easy way to untie. I'll have to see how it's tied with the OG version, but oh, that's just to put it around your back, I guess. Why can't I open it? It's not open? I don't know how to open it, I guess. What the hell? Weird. You'd hope it opens. Is it just the me? Ah, okay, that took a lot of force. Okay, well, that's the first open box, team. If you like that, maybe I'll show some videos on how to use it. That thing's freaking long, man. I'm impressed, though. Sephiroth was the man. Now I am. It's trippy as hell. I like. It's definitely not meant to kill anyone. But that's my new sword, team.